the fits! Oh my gosh! We had the Chick-fil-A, and this is their solution. Make sure them workers don't get caught out in the rain. I love this. S14 maintenance check. So,
no bolt.
if you guys watched the last drift video, was it the only harm done to the car after the last drift event was I was lacking power and it definitely sounded a little rough. We started sounding like a tractor. Let me actually start it up and let's give some revs. Yeah. So I immediately thought that we have a huge fatty exhaust leak, but we've done some inspection.
There's no
and the turbo is
just hanging on.
Basically, yeah, just like
yes.
not really connected to the manifold.
So manifold, turbo, and there's no nut here, no nut there now because that was hand tight and literally you can just, the gasket, well not the gasket, but like it's a little crush washer thing. There's a nut here and a nut over there, but right here there was nothing and it's just air just kind of pouring out, so there's no pressure pretty much, no back pressure.
So we gotta make a little errand run to go get some more of these boys so that we could get the turbo back fully bolted on to the car. And then it should sound a lot more healthier than before, and it should be a lot quicker back when I first got the thing. Grocery run? Whoa, what the hell going on here? We got another one? Hey, fires up. We're gonna go take this to go get our extra stuff. It's a little weird to be on the other side. Mine is domestic, so I drive on this side, but he got the authentic Sylvia. I was just telling Jesse the craziest thing is that I was probably out on the track drifting, and that's when my nut probably just came off. It's like the stereotypical situation where someone just picks one of these up and goes, "Hey, are you missing something? This came off your car?" Because like straight up, I don't have anything holding my turbo on right now. Yes, sir.
Now we just need thread locker.
Red's permanent?
No, blue's permanent.
Blue's
permanent?
permanent?
Blue's removable, red's permanent. Yeah, you had it right.
Oh, okay.
So.
You want some cock? Dude, peep the fits! Not even Kanye West could create drip that heavy. Someone ditched their suit. I see an abandoned suit. Oh no! Wait, maybe it's probably his. They didn't give him a suit.
They left a suit.
They left the suit right there. Dude, I should go swipe that. That'll be our new outfit check.
Oh my god, pull up to meets in the Chick-fil-A suit.
That'd be big genius here though, because you wouldn't get rained on.
There'd be no excuse to not go to a meet. It's like, oh, the weather's horrible. It's like, dog, you got the
Chick-fil-A pod.
You got a tent. Yeah, you got a pod.
Oh.
Hey, what doing? He's getting ready to go against Rocky.
Nah, I'm just playing. We got the True Focus Fab Bash Bar up in here today.
What?
From Andrew Brister at True Focus Fabrication in I don't even know, Montana? Wait, which one's MT? I don't know geography.
Dude, I don't know either.
Shout out to True Focus Fab for sending this in. They're supplying us a front bash bar for the S14. If you guys know S chassis, you guys know that, or just in drifting in general, that a bash bar is really helpful and needed just to protect your front end, protect yourself, and we got a jacking point added down here, so it's going to be a lot easier to jack up the front end of the car. I was going to say where the scissors at, but he's using the scissors right now to cut off the zip ties so we can take the bump. Because yeah, we be zip tying the world up in here.
Drift car.
When you don't have a simple knife.
Oh, he fucked it up.
I don't think this is how you open packaging.
Let's ask Andrew.
Who sent me my bash bar?
Yo, Andrew.
Oh, no. Oh, crap. Oh, we're good. No, we're not.
Don't try this at home, kids.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's so light. It's so light.
We could drop the car though,
Yeah.
just so it's all leveled.
Brennan, you want to take hold of my Zenki bumper?
Yeah. I would love to. It's always been my dream.
No way.
You just put it over there.
You're lying.
Brennan has the most difficult job by far.
Because we don't have an exact.
Unpackage the bash bar. He's taken every method from drilling it to now stabbing it. I thought we had the hardware for it in here. Turns out we got stickers. And then we have fruit snacks. We got Mott's fruit snacks. It says, I hope you enjoy your S14 bash bar. We can't wait to see what you guys think about our products. Looking forward to working with you more in the future. Thank you, True Focus Fabrication. And we have merchandise.
So the bash bar is off.
The stock crash bar.
The stock one. And then we're gonna put that.
I'm tripping over
The welds on those are really nice though. I like
Dude, it's really
discoloration
sick.
is
Just
cool,
the titanium
Yeah.
color.
Yo, who calling though?
Good fellas.
What's good?
I just wanted to see what's going with the project since I wasn't able to make it over today.
So it wasn't actually. Wait, did we?
So the car's totaled.
Yeah.
Really?
The car's
awesome.
really bad, dude.
Yeah.
Like a wheel came off and like totally wrecked like the frame.
The thing is, I can't tell if you're being legitimate.
Well, now.
No, dude, I'm being serious,
Well, the
like-
issue, okay, so Jack's kind of hyperventilating right now because now the car is not stock body anymore, and that's like kind of the main issue. Is like.
Right, because
value-wise.
when he got the car, it had that sick kit that's molded.
Yeah.
You guys are fucking with me. What happened?
Dude, like we put on the crash bar. It's a 240, so we did 240 stuff, and he hit a curb like Austin did.
Yeah, and now his Meisters are completely crushed. And we found out they were real Meisters too. We thought they were fake, dude. They're like.
Show me the car.
I'll send you a pic.
Yeah, I'll send you a pic.
I'm waiting for a tow truck right now.
I can't tell if you're being serious.
Dude, no, like, okay, Jack's like gone right now, but like, bro, like that ass, like this shit's fucked. Like he kind of sucks at
I thought I
driving.
just heard Jack.
No, I say he left right now. Like he's like talking to his girl right now. But yeah, dude, it's really fucking. Here, dude, listen to the fucking fender. It's literally hanging on. Yeah, it's hanging on.
It sounds metal.
Well, yeah, they're metal. They're
It's a metal wide body,
yeah.
bro.
What are you talking? The fronts are metal, dude. But like, dude, hold on. Like this is the whole. No, like the entire fucking front end is just complete. Like his shit came off. Like everything's fucked, dude. Like, this is so fucking bad.
Right? And you're not fucking with me.
No.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's bad, dude. But I mean, luckily it's a drift car, so like, you know.
At the end of the day, whatever, you know.
Yeah.
How recent?
Like
Like half an hour or
Yeah, like
something.
yeah.
We're on the way back from Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. Dude, what do you expect from like someone that's just learning how to drift?
Oh yeah, no, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, it's bound to happen, but like,
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
Yeah. Yeah. I think he's gonna send you a picture right now.
Image.
He's gonna send you a picture right now.
And it just looks like you took off the bumper and the radiator.
The that's not a radiator. That's his intercooler.
Yeah, I know.
It completely
Yeah,
just
yeah,
ripped
so-
off. Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, do you see the wires hanging and shit? Like his whole like, dude, his headlights and his socket just completely ripped off.
Really?
It's not the best, but we're gonna wait for the tow and then I'll call you in a bit.
How's he doing?
I don't know, dude. I want to say like he's like going through it right now, but like don't tell anyone like he like actually shit his pants. Like he legitimately like shit his pants. Like it's bad, bro. He like
Yeah, I mean, he fucking drove his car into a ditch. I'd shit my pants.
yeah, it's bad.
You're
Like,
fucking with me, dude. I can't.
dude, no, like he.
It looks like you guys. I don't see any damage in the.
No,
front.
like it's
It
bad.
looks like
He
you took everything
dude,
apart.
he got out of the car and you would have thought he sat in like a chocolate cake. Like it's
You're
it's
fucking
bad.
with me now. You're fucking with me. This kid pooped himself, dude. You're definitely fucking with me.
No, we're putting on his bash bar. That's all.
Oh, God, no, yeah. I was like, you're telling me that he pooped. The dude wrecked and the first thing he did was take a shit.
That's sick. It's got True Focus Fab embedded into
Tomorrow we're going to Carson Coffee, dog.
Yo, Owen on the shelf.
It's at
it. Dude,
10.
Owen's our 4th member joining
What
us
up?
tonight.
Yeah, we're working on the car, guys. I'm helping.
This is sick. I'm honestly tempted to run the car without a bumper with this thing on. Owen, you gotta help us out right now, dude. You're slacking on work. Yo,
Yeah.
Owen, can I get a 12 mil real quick?
Actually, this might be like a 17.
Yeah, 1 second.
Wait, get him. Oh,
Bro,
my side just went in.
Yeah. Wait, hang on.
Yeah, my side just went in.
All the way into the bolt?
Like,
Wait, hang on. Oh, that's going in. Dude, it's in.
There we
Dude,
go.
it's in. We didn't even need the
there we go. Oh yeah.
Okay. I thought we would have to hammer the sides, the mounting sides, because it slides in over each. I thought we'd have to hammer them in so you could fully slide in, but we got the
went in
dashboard.
pretty easily.
Holy cow.
Nice.
Damn. That's sick.
That looks so good.
Then we just gotta,
Dude.
oh my god. That looks so
Dude, that's
good.
so mean.
Holy crap, dude.
Oh, that is so sick. It's a drift car now. It's
that
a
looks
dang
sick.
drift car now.
Holy shit, dude. Oh, sorry. And then no, with the wheels poking out.
I know, with the freaking drift camera setup.
So good.
Uh-oh. I'm tempted to just want to run most of my drift events without the bumper now. In the future, once my car is a lot lower and I have a way nicer body kit on it, then I probably won't even want to run the bumper on like rough drift events just in case, you know, you don't want to ruin it, so that'll probably be the look. Yeah, because it still looks so cool. Oh, that's so aggressive. I love that. Got a lurker. Ho ho ho. Patrol up in here.
Okay, and that's what you guys are doing? You guys not racing, not
Nah.
doing it?
Oh, hell no.
Okay. All right, man. Sounds good. So,
Old cars. Go full throttle, we'll break.
okay.
We just come here because it's good lighting for photos and stuff at night.
Okay, how long you guys gonna be here?
Until he fixes his car, I guess.
Like 10 minutes and I'm done.
About 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Thanks for being cool about it.
Yeah, hey, no problem, man. I mean, you know, man, as long as you guys not, you know, racing and not doing anything illegal, I'm good.
Yeah.
Nissan Silvia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's just that we have to log and everything, so.
Oh,
I mean, you guys are not in trouble.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
There is a black Nissan, 2-door.
We like go all in depth. Well, this is a Nissan Silvia, you see, and that's a 240SX over there, and you see.
The difference is where you sit when you're driving.
Yeah, you see, one's domestic, one's import. You know, they're actually very different cars.
If you really want to get into detail of it, this actually has a 2-liter SR20 from the factory.
And now my car actually has a 2-liter SR20 as well, but it was
Actually,
swapped into the car.
Yours was swapped in, sir.
Yeah. So were you trying to adjust the e-brakes?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, yank it.
Yeah, it was 2
Things
times.
looking like it's good. Yeah, I love this freaking detail. Freaking logo embedding right there. That's so sick. Car looks so tall though. Needs to go down.
Later.
And he died.